Today I am going to talk about goodbye English phrase. How to say goodbye in different and interesting way. First thing is, I really got to go. This is the least formal way of telling someone that you definitely have to leave now. This is the best way of two friends. For example, finishing a conversation, and personally I use this phrase quite often. Okay? Next is, okay, I am sorry but I have to leave now. Used when your chat partner has clear intention of continuing the conversation, but you just need to go, so you are making it is clear that you need to go now, right? So when you have to go, so you can use this expression to a much formal and polite way. Next expression is see you later, used when you know that you will be seeing each other again sometimes soon, so you will use see you later. Next expression is see you around. This is quite similar to previous one, see you around, right? So next expression is see you in a couple of minutes. This phrase is quite interesting. This phrase is typically used when you are leaving the other person for a short while during an event. For example, you can use this see you in couple of minutes, right? The next expression is keep in touch. A goodbye phrase meaning you want the other person to get in touch with you every now and then, and that you have the same intention. So you will say keep in touch, right? So next expression is it was nice seeing you. Take care. So you will use this a goodbye phrase used when you know that you won't see the person for a while. So you will use this it was nice seeing you. Take care. Next goodbye expression is it's been good talking to you. It is quite similar to previous one. It is been good talking to you, right? The next goodbye expression is hope to see you again. You can use this phrase when finishing a conversation with someone you have just met. So you will use this hope to see you again. Next goodbye phrase is there is one small problem though. There is one small problem though. So it's okay. The chances are, now the question is how to remember these phrases and how to use it. This is again a big question. The chances are you are going to forget most of these phrases within a matter of hours, and next week you will be lucky to remember any of them. So how to remember it? Please don't get me wrong. So I am not trying to insult your intelligence and imply that you have a bad memory. You have very good memory and you are very intelligent. It is a natural human instinct. It is natural to forget all kinds of information after just one exposure. It is just human nature. So the primary objective is to remember for this lifetime. For everlasting approach, you must have. So first thing is, so I guess it poses the next logical question again. How to make sure you can actually use such and similar phrases in your daily conversation with work, colleagues, college friends, people you meet, and your daily conversation. So I can give you a most effective and best method how you can remember for this lifetime. So to learn these small talk phrases, the first thing is to into your mind is by utilizing spaced repetition. Utilize spaced repetition. It might sound very technical, while in fact it simply means you have to repeat and memorize a phrase a number of times over a certain period of time. It is very simple. It is not rocket science. You have to just repeat again and again. Repeat each phrase 3 times. Then do it once more tomorrow. Go back to it after a long period of time, say a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. This spaced repetition principle ensures that the small talk phrase you are memorizing remain in your active vocabulary. Are you getting? It basically means you will be able to use those phrases in relevant situations. And that's definitely what you want, isn't it? So I hope you have enjoyed the video, And if you have enjoyed the video, so which phrase you liked most, put in comment and share with your friends or family members or anybody who wants to learn these phrases. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, so subscribe.